But I feel like you have more control over scissors.
Today I'll be opening up a new Lego package. So if that interests you, it's coming up
it's not a real big
right after this.
Hello everyone. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but I got this package today thanks to Mr. Yarndoll. He made a donation. I was able to get some Lego, so I just got delivered about 15 minutes ago, so I thought I'd open it with you. So let's get to it. So I use scissors because they're not as sharp as a razor blade. I probably cut myself. I've cut myself a couple times with these scissors before. One because I was going the wrong direction, like I just almost did. Slept or something, But I feel like you have more control over scissors. So anyway, yeah. This came from Lego.com. It's not a real big sets or anything like that, but it's a couple of these in one. Quick heads. And you can see them all in there. I actually got two Stitch, which just came out, I believe March. One for me, one for my fiance here. She was asking for one, so I got her one too. So yeah, I got the little Stitch brickhead. Set number 4063 or 674. So, and I got Sonic, which is set number 40627, and Tails to go with them, which is set number 40628. So yeah, that's it. And I'll open these up and probably do a little review on each build. Probably do the Stitch first. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye.
Please subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of videos I post. Thanks for watching.